Psychotherapy is the art and science of healing through psychological means. It has long captivated the human imagination. At its core, psychotherapy is about fostering growth, resilience, and transformation in individuals grappling with a variety of emotional, behavioral, and interpersonal challenges. Yet, the mechanisms underlying therapeutic change remain a subject of fascination and inquiry. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we unravel the factors contributing to healing in psychotherapy. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. So let's get into it. Number 1. The Therapeutic Alliance. The Therapeutic Alliance is a cornerstone of healing. Central to the therapeutic process is the establishment of a robust therapeutic alliance, a collaboration and trusting relationship between therapists and clients. Grounded in empathy, authenticity, and unconditional positive regard, the therapeutic alliance provides a safe space for clients to explore their innermost thoughts, feelings, and experiences without fear of judgment or rejection. Research consistently underscores the pivotal role of the therapeutic alliance in predicting treatment outcomes across diverse therapeutic modalities, highlighting its significance as a catalyst for healing. Number 2. Client factors. While the therapist serves as a guide on the journey towards healing, clients bring their own agency, resilience, and motivation to the therapeutic encounter. Clients who actively engage in the therapeutic process, demonstrate openness to change, and commit to self-exploration are more likely to experience meaningful progress and lasting transformation. Moreover, clients' inherent strengths, coping strategies, and support networks play a crucial role in buffering against adversity and fostering adaptive functioning in the face of life's challenges. Number 3. Techniques and interventions. Within the therapeutic space, therapists draw upon an eclectic array of techniques and interventions designed to facilitate healing and promote psychological well-being. Therapeutic techniques are tools for empowerment and insight. From cognitive behavioral strategies that target maladaptive thought patterns to psychodynamic approaches that delve into unconscious conflicts, each therapeutic modality offers unique insights and tools for self-discovery and personal growth. By tailoring interventions to clients' individual needs and preferences, therapists empower clients to cultivate self-awareness, develop coping skills, and enact positive change in their lives. Number 4. The power of narrative. Storytelling lies at the heart of the human experience, serving as a potent medium for making sense of the world and our place within it. In psychotherapy, clients are invited to craft and reconstruct their narratives, reframing past traumas, struggles, and triumphs in a manner that fosters resilience and empowerment. Through narrative therapy, clients gain agency over their stories, reclaiming authorship of their lives and transforming personal hardships into sources of strength and wisdom. Number 5. Cultural considerations. In an increasingly diverse and interconnected world, it is essential for therapists to recognize and honor the cultural, social, and contextual factors that shape their clients' identities and experiences. Cultural competence encompasses not only an awareness of one's own cultural biases and blind spots, but also a willingness to engage in culturally sensitive practices that validate and affirm clients' diverse worldviews and lived realities. By embracing cultural humility and curiosity, therapists create inclusive and culturally responsive therapeutic environments where clients feel seen, heard, and understood. In conclusion, as we peer into the inner workings of psychotherapy, we behold a tapestry of interconnected factors such as the therapeutic alliance, client agency, therapeutic techniques used, narrative construction, and cultural competence that all converge to cultivate an environment ripe for healing and growth. While the journey towards healing may be fraught with challenges and uncertainties, it is through the alchemy of human connection, resilience, and insight that the seeds of transformation are nurtured, blooming into the radiant flowers of hope, resilience, and renewal. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health worksheets and resources, please visit my Etsy shop. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.